Hey everybody, how's it going? So, right as I finished uploading that other video, this news came out. Funding exhausted for $350 billion small business paycheck protection program. The SBA says it is unable at this time to accept new aid applications or enroll new lenders. Throughout this process, regardless of how cynical I've been, one of the things that I keep saying is that I really hope that I'm wrong. Those people that say, you're too cynical, you're an idiot, blah, 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 this is going to be there, you're just a conspiracy theorist. I really hope and pray that you are correct, because if you're correct and I'm wrong, that means lots of normal small businesses will actually get the help through this government-mandated shutdown that they were promised, and that seems to have not been occurring for a lot of small businesses. Now, down here it says, this is the sad part, Republicans want to approve $250 billion more for the loans before moving on to other aid and stimulus proposals. Democrats want to make changes to the small business program and include money for hospitals, state and local governments, and food assistance recipients alongside of it. So this means that if you're a small business owner, you need to wait for Democrats and Republicans to stop fighting before you're able to actually get any funds from the program that Steve Mnuchin said over 2 weeks ago would be ready to go and issue funds, quote, the next day, which is just a sad joke at this point. But to make you feel better, just so that you have something to sleep on, something to feel good about, Ruths Hospitality Group, a company that has $30 million to $42 million in net profit each year over the past 5 years, got $20 million in loans, which is twice what the program actually was supposed to be able to give out. And they gave it out to a company with 5,000 employees rather than a company with 500 employees. It's just so you know where the money went, just so you know why there's no money available for your laundromat or your deli or your barbershop or anything like that. Hopefully you rest well knowing that this very lovely, small, publicly traded company with $42 million in net profit got their loan before you did. That's it for today, and as always, I hope that you learned something.